I'm about to cross right now at the beaver dam and go get that deer. Try not to fall into water. Yeah, it's a little wet, but it gets dry over there. It's over there about 60, probably 60 yards, so I'm gonna ease over there too. It was a long shot, so I had to shoot, I think, three times. Yeah, 10-4. I leave my keys in the truck and just lock it up.
You want me to come down the track in your truck to get that deer?
Yeah, but not yet. Don't drive yet. But eventually, yeah, I'm gonna just drag it to the tracks. And now, just let me know if you need to get my truck moved. I'll give you the code.
Alright, well let me know. I'm still here on my stand. I'll be here.
There she is right there. Now she's about 30 yards away. Looked like a pretty big deer. I know the first shot was a good shot, but it was a long shot, but it's still a broadside shot, so she keep running, you keep shooting. I say it's a doe. I shot it for a doe. Let's find out. Man, that thing's blood all over the place. Might not have had to shoot that many times. Tore her up on that first shot, man. That's the first shot too. I should have never shot 2 more times. That first shot, buddy,